If you are tired of being added to random WhatsApp groups without your permission, here is how to stop it. Open WhatsApp, tap the three dots at the top right corner and go to Settings. Next, tap on Privacy, then select Groups. By default, it's usually set to everyone, which means anyone with your number can add you to a group. To control this, choose My Contacts to allow only people saved in your phone to add you. For more control, tap My Contacts Accept. Then select all or specific contacts you want to block from adding you to groups. Tap the check mark when you are done. Now, people you have excluded can still send you an invite link to join the group, but they can't add you directly without your approval. And that's it. You have now taken control over who can add you to WhatsApp groups. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.